Do you have a phone? Can you receive text messages on it? And do you have a PayPal account? Well, that's good news for you then, because in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can earn PayPal money for receiving text messages. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. How you can earn some super easy PayPal money for receiving text messages. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you hit that notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to share with you here on how you can earn some super easy PayPal money here. It is almost worldwide opportunity here, also available in almost all the countries. So what you need to do is pay attention, because I'm going to share with you two different apps here actually. So don't skip on anything, so you won't miss out on any important information here regarding these two apps here. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel. I do post there from time to time about make money online related and internet marketing related stuff also. So make sure you subscribe to that. I'm going to leave, you can find it somewhere here on the top or at the end screen, of course. You will find it also, or in the description there as well. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below in the description also. But for now, let's see how we can earn some super easy PayPal money by simply receiving text messages. Let's go. Alright guys, so first we are here at the first site. I'm going to show you later on how you can find this. And you can see here that you earn money for receiving text messages. You get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. All you have to do is receive text messages on your mobile phone once in a while. So basically the reason why they do this is, let's say that you are on a mountain or something, they want to test and see if there is any signal. So that's why they send you. You don't have to do anything at all, don't reply or anything. So just leave it there. They will see that it has been, that you have received the SMS, and that's it. So let's scroll down and have a look at the section here where it says, where it gives us more information actually. So by letting us sending text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations, exactly as I said earlier here. Simply said, you help us improve mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your McMoney bank, real money. Alright, so you install and you earn money. It is as super easy as that. So I mean, this is literally on autopilot actually. You install the app, they send you random test SMS messages once in a while, and you will earn money for each received text message from us. Works on Android. Unfortunately, it is only an Android app, and you can see here that it is secure, of course. Here are some reviews and the specifics here. You don't want to receive messages for a while, just disable the app for a while in the settings there. So you have that option to do that. You may delete the text as soon as you have received it, no need to store it. The messages do not contain any meaningful text, but only some random characters that you can ignore. So here are some frequently asked questions also. Let's have a quick look at these. How does it work? Well, all you need to do is download and register your phone number. It is as super easy as that. Once you do, you will start to receiving some messages and you will get paid for that. Okay, why is registration unavailable for me? We can only support limited amount of users, so it might be a limit when you try to sign up there. Wait a little bit, a day, 2, a week or something, and try again. Alright, so why do I earn money for receiving text messages? I think we covered that earlier here. Companies worldwide want to send important SMS messages to consumers like yourself. It is crucial for them to test the available SMS routes worldwide in order to ensure a proper delivery. So it is a worldwide opportunity because they want to test worldwide. Alright, and you get paid, of course, for every SMS that we send you. And you can see here that it is not a scam. Actually, they have been around for a long time now. And who operates the app here? It is developed by cm.com. If you want to check out these details also, you can have a look at it for yourself actually at the frequently asked questions. But I think it is so super easy, simple and straightforward. You can actually go to mcmoneyapp.com, or you can do a search on the Android if you want to. If you prefer that, actually you can have a look at that as well. Here, if I scroll down a little bit more how it works, they do explain it. They do have a referral program, so that is another way to earn more money, and you can read all the details here, okay? You're going to receive your referral code and so on there. I think I covered more or less everything about Mac Money app, so now let's move on to the next opportunity here. The next opportunity is Money SMS app, and this is how it looks when we arrive to the site here. You can see here Money SMS app, make money online. It is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. So if I scroll down a little bit here, let's have a look at the features. It is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. You can see it works on Android, earns money online. You just need to install our app, get paid by our money making app for received SMS test messages. It is secure, so you don't have to worry about it here also. It is automatically, you don't have to do anything at all. Works pretty much the same way as the previous app that we had a look at. You just receive the messages there and that's it. And then we have a referral program. You can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. How cool is that? All right, talk about passive income here. And it is totally free, of course. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, what you have to do is just sign up, download and install it, register and keep it running on your phone. Okay, you will receive automatic text messages, SMS, and you get paid for that. You get actually paid 0.02 cents here. It is in euros when you receive the text messages, but you can withdraw your money when your receive balance hits 2 euros. So it can go pretty fast here. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is not something that are going to get you rich, which makes it another reason for check out my #1 recommendation when you're finished here, of course. But it's definitely a good way to earn some free passive PayPal money here, okay? So let's scroll down here. They do show us a little bit here about the withdrawing. It is within 48 hours, so it goes pretty fast, and you can keep track of income in reports. Look at this, they have sent a lot of test messages here, have paid out over 71,000. This is probably approximately around 80,000 US dollars here, okay? And they do have over 163,000 users registered, all right? So how you're getting paid, they do explain it here also, and that we do not read your private messages. You don't have to answer, as I said earlier here. Now here they are clarifying that they are a legit company and why you should download it. There is a good help center here if you want to have a look at this. There is also an FAQ section. So if I open this up, they do tell us a bit about the general instructions, which is pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, look at this, for example. This is the kind of messages that you will receive, and you get paid for it automatically. So, what SMS will I receive? Should I do something with them? And basically, let's see here, how much money do I make and how you will... They tell you once again how much you're going to get paid here also. But, I mean, you don't do anything at all. This is totally free, passive money on autopilot, okay? And let's go here with the payment issues. What payment methods do you support? You can see here that we have PayPal. Of course, if you prefer web money, Bitcoin or something else here, they do have Litecoin and Ethereum also. So that's pretty much it, guys, about it. I mean, you can actually download both the apps if you want to, and just earn more money with it. And of course, the more people that you are going to refer, the more you're going to earn also. Now, as I said in the beginning, this is not something that you can build a real online business with, okay? It's not something that you can make a full-time passive income online. If you want to do that, if you want to build a real sustainable online business, a long-term business online, making a full-time passive income with it, then I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Both are related to make money online, work from home, tips, and a lot more. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation there also. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.